Hi, I'm Helen and I'm a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work the berry stitch. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Berry stitch is worked on the wrong side of the work. To begin, chain 1. Work 1 double crochet stitch in the first stitch. To work a berry stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on the hook. Continue working along the row, alternating between 1 double crochet and 1 berry stitch. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. See you for more videos soon. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill.